Good morning. I'm Matt Weakland, Operations Section Chief Trainee for Rocky Mountain Team 1, here on the Stoner Mesa fire. This morning's operational update for Tuesday, August 19th. Our acreage is just over 8,900 acres. A lot of that is some of these areas of the fire are starting to close in within our control lines, and additionally just some better mapping with additional IR scanning that we've done. As far as our structure groups, Highway 145, we've accomplished a lot of work out in that corridor. We've gotten the assessments completed. We've gotten a fair amount of prep work completed out in there, and things are looking really good. As we move up into County Road 38, also all of our assessment has been completed. Prep work is mostly done, but we are going to put some additional emphasis up here on the northern end of 38 just to make sure that we have all of our equipment set up and all of the hazardous fuel removal completed out there that we can. And one other little area of focus is the Stoner area. We're going to be spending quite a bit of time in here doing more brushing and hazardous fuel removal. For the fire itself, out here in Division Echo, it's a very steep and deep, nasty area in Stoner Creek. The fire itself is hung up on the creek, and there's not showing a lot of heat. Our modeling, we've ran several different models out as far as 14 days, and we're not seeing a whole lot of potential for this fire to move significantly to the north. So we won't be putting firefighters down into Stoner Creek just because of the steep, deep terrain and just the unsafe conditions to work in there. However, when we move around to Alpha, this is an area where we've put a lot of heavy emphasis. Folks have gotten hand line and dozer line around most of it, and we are actively mopping up in that area, and we will see containment in there over the next several days. In X-ray, these folks started pushing dozer line down along the fire's edge. That we have been able to get ahead of the fire that's down in the canyon now, and they've also had to do a little bit of defensive firing just to prevent that fire from running up and out of the canyon across the line. In Whiskey, we did a lot of cleanup in this area with some firing yesterday. More will continue today, and we'll just start closing in this box. Also in Whiskey, a heavy equipment operation with a lot of logging equipment and masticators going on the 201 road, and opening that up for an additional containment line should it be needed. In Tango, this was some of the first areas where we were able to get line in place and get crews going in there, and this is actually looking really, really good, and we are seeing some containment coming today and in future shifts. Out around this corner, which is also in Tango, once again, we've been able to clean up a lot of dead trees and snags that were threatening firefighters and get people into that area and actively mopping up, and we'll see some more containment in there as well. I want to say thank you for everybody watching and for all the support that our team has seen.